Good morning, everybody. Another day, another set of results from Southern Cross. This time we're reporting essentially one hole that was two holes, 184 and 184A. 184 didn't go in the right direction. We stopped it early and re-drilled it as 184A, and that's the hole we're reporting. It's from Golden Dyke. It's got some amazingly high grades, some long intersections of mineralization and extensions of mineralization, both along strike and up and down dip. So it's actually working so well on many levels. So what did we get? We got a key intersection was 9.2 meters at 34.6 grams. So over 9 meters at over an ounce with 32.2 grams gold and 1% antimony. So a lot of that antimony still in these upper levels. That was from about 600 meters down the hole, so more or less around the 500 meter mark. That has 0.2 meters at 986 grams gold. So some of the highest grades we're seeing in Golden Dyke, notwithstanding 20 meters away from that, we got 2 meters at 43 grams gold up the hole at about 480 meters. And that included 0.2 at 416 grams gold. And so amazingly high grades over multiple intervals. Overall, the interval ran 45 meters at 9.5 grams gold equivalent, made up of those high grade structures. So an amazing hole. We were drilling in between existing holes, but we extended these very high grades by 65 meters between drill holes. So we infilled large gaps, and then we're starting to see extensions along strike, in this case 20 meters along the rungs of the ladder, and then infilling the one rung 65 meters. So it's working. The deposit's holding up. We're seeing better results, and you want to see better results in these deposits as that you understand them more and as you drill more. So it's behaving very well. Two of the highest grades that we've seen in Golden Dyke at the moment. I'm sure as we drill more, of course, the trend is your friend. So we've got high hopes for Golden Dyke. And the other key point that we made in the last press release, we're making it again here, that we think the Golden Dyke system is simply an extension of Rising Sun. Those very high grades, the mineralogy, the change in depth that we see across the deposit suggests that they're just the same system. There's about 160 meters between the two of them that we haven't drilled that we'll follow up. So Golden Dyke just looking absolutely great. This hole is important because we're intersecting mineralization where we expected it, and the high grades that we're expecting to see are continuous. So it's hitting all the key metrics on that point. The fact that Golden Dyke and Rising Sun are looking very similar. Rising Sun is the best part of the project to date, but Golden Dyke's quickly catching up. Remember, we only drilled the first parts of Golden Dyke well and truly less than a year ago. So we're just starting to drill it deeper and seeing the better grades developing, the grades holding up as we get more and more drill holes into the system. So it's certainly building ounces by delineating high grades, finding more high grades, and then extending them at the same time away from other drill holes. So everything you'd want to see in a system that had delivered so much early days and now starting to continue to deliver as we get the great weight of evidence of how good this project continues to be. We have a very large program that we're undertaking at the moment. We have a 200-kilometer drill out. We've got 10 rigs now at site. So the 10th rig was just mobilized over the last week or so. 2 rigs focusing outside the core area, looking for extensions and down at depth and along strike. 8 rigs drilling in and around the core area, so that 1.2 by 1 kilometer area. We're going to ideally being able to see a decline permitted soon. Our expectation and hope is that we've done everything to meet what's required. So we hope to see a permit for that soon, but it is with the authorities and it is their decision. Now, if and when that is permitted, we'll have another 12 rigs underground. So that will bring lots of speed to the drill program. So that will be the largest drill out on a pre-development project in Australia once we have 22 rigs that will feed into a PEA on that resource that we will build from all that drilling by Q2 27. The drill out is $60 million. The decline is $30 million. And then we've got $20 million slated for regional exploration. So not forgetting the market value that could come from finding something, another one of these bodies, 1, 2, 3, 4, even up to 8 kilometers away. We've got old mines along the trend. So a lot of opportunity in the exploration upside. We've really only explored about 10%. So 20% of our drilling budget going to regional exploration, 80% into the core area. So a lot happening. The team is building. We're building a team to build this project, to build a mine, to continually de-risk it around all the geology, the resource, the engineering, etc., the environmental side of things, the local permitting side of things. So we've got a lot of expertise in the company, and that will continue to build over the next 6 to 12 months.